Standard Time. At 9:27 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Sisterdale, or 8 miles north
Daphne,
of Bernie, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail.
Kendall.
Source, radar indicated rotation.
Why is that a big
Impact,
thing?
flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Sisterdale and Crown. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows.
Hold on.
If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This is NOAA, Weather Radio.
Oh my gosh.
Tornadoes in the shifting winds along the leading edge of this squall line. Earlier, we had a supercell north that had a tornado
County, protect yourself from flying debris.
I missed it. Hey. Wow. Tornado warning. Huh. I had to get the framing right, that's why I missed some of it. Aww. Wow. Imagine if it touches down. Alright, let's look, see if it's on here. Yeah, it's on here, but it didn't go off.
I-35 west, the northbound lanes down in the Alvarado area have been closed. We do have one new tornado warning storm.
Yep, there it is.
In Kendall County, you see there in red. Let me zoom into that one just a little bit. This supercell thunderstorm heading up into areas far in the north and east of Bernie. Relatively rural areas here with a possibility.
A tornado warning has been issued for our area.
There you go. If it goes off on the TV, I'll record it, but it's going to be in a separate video.